The Secret Diary of Adrian Mole, aged 13 3/4. The first diary entry, dated January 14th, Wednesday. Joined the library. Got Care of the Skin, Origin of Species, and a book by a woman my mother is always going on about. It is called Pride and Prejudice by a woman called Jane Austen. I could tell the librarian was impressed. Perhaps she is an intellectual like me. She didn't look at my sport, so perhaps it is getting smaller, about time. None of the teachers at school have noticed that I am an intellectual. They will be sorry when I am famous. There is a new girl in our class. She sits next to me in geography. She's all right. Her name is Pentora, but she likes being called Box. Don't ask me why. I might fall in love with her. It's time I fell in love. After all, I am 13, 3, 4 years old. This diary entry gives us a picture of Adrian Mole projecting various aspects of his character, like his self pretensions on being an intellectual, his anxiety towards the sports on his face, etc. This diary entry also introduces Adrian's love, Pentora. Adrian goes to the library and take 3 books. First one is Care of the Skin. Being a teenager, he is definitely anxious about his health and looks, and hence he took this book. The other 2 books are Origin of Species and Pride and Prejudice. He thinks only intellectuals read such books. He assumes that the librarian is impressed by the selection of his books. He thinks she is an intellectual like him. He assumes that he is already an intellectual and the librarian, being another intellectual, has recognized his intellectual capacity. He feels sad that his teachers haven't noticed that he is an intellectual. He observes that his teachers will definitely regret for this when he become famous. He feels so happy that the librarian didn't look at the spot on his face. He was much worried about the spot, but since she hasn't looked at it, perhaps it is getting smaller. He says a new girl has come to the class. She sits next to him in the geography class. Her name is Pentora, but she likes being called Box. The reference here is to Pandora box. Adrian thinks that he might fall in love with her for no practical or no particular reason. He is 13 3/4 and it is time for him to fall in love. So he may. Saturday, January 17th. Dr. Taylor must be one of those overworked GPs you are always reading about. He didn't examine the sport. He just said, I mustn't worry. And was everything all right at home? I told him about my bad home life and my poor diet, but he said I was well nourished and to go home and count my blessings. So much for the National Health Service. This diary entry throws light upon Adrian's concern with his health. He is worried about the spot on his face and so he consults Dr. Taylor. For Adrian, his diet, his nourishment, his health, and even the spot on his face are serious issues. But the doctor is wise enough to consider such things as a teenager's worries. So he asks Adrian to go home and count his blessings. As human beings, we always count our negatives, comparing ourselves with others. But if we look at the blessings we have, perhaps we may feel far better. Tuesday, January 20th. Full moon. My mother is looking for a job. Now I could end up a delinquent roaming the streets and all that. And what will I do during the holidays? I expect I will have to sit in a laundrette all day to keep warm. I will be a latchkey kid, whatever that is. And who will look after the dog? And what will I have to eat all day? I will be forced to eat crisps and sweets until my skin is ruined and my teeth fall out. I think my mother is being very selfish. She won't be any good in a job anyway. She isn't even bright and she drinks too much at Christmas. Thursday, January 22nd. My mother has got an interview for a job. She is practicing her typing and not doing any cooking. So what will it be like if she gets the job? My father should put his foot down before we are a broken home. The word delinquent means showing a tendency to commit crimes. Laundrette is a place where you can wash and dry your clothes in machines that you operate. Latchkey is a key for the front or the outer door by a house. The phrase put his foot down or put one's foot down means to refuse firmly to do something. Adrian is frustrated at the fact that his mother is looking for a job. He thinks he will not be properly looked after if his mother gets a job. He will be left all alone. If she doesn't cook, he will have to depend on fast food, which may ruin his skin, teeth, and health. He thinks his mother is being very selfish. He says his mother is never bright and so she can never be good at any job. He even complains that his mother drinks too much at Christmas. Adrian's mother is practicing typing for her new job interview and so she doesn't do any cooking. Instead of helping his mother at kitchen, Adrian blames her for practicing her typing. He thinks his father should do something to prevent his mother from getting a job. Otherwise, he thinks they will soon have a broken home. Sunday, January 25th, third after Epiphany. 10 a.m. I am ill with all the worry, too weak to write much. Nobody has noticed I haven't eaten any breakfast. 2 p.m. Had 2 junior aspirants at midday and rallied a bit. Perhaps when I am famous and my diary is discovered, people will understand the torment of being a 13 3/4 year old undiscovered intellectual. 6 p.m. Pentora, my lost love. 8 p.m. Pentora, Pentora, Pentora. Midnight, had a crab paste sandwich and a satsuma for the good of my skin. Epiphany means a moment of sudden and great revelation or realization. Epiphany also means a Christian feast day that celebrates the revelation of God incarnate as Jesus Christ. In Western Christianity, the feast commemorates principally the visit of the Magi to the Christ child. It is observed on January 6th. Epiphany is mentioned in a diary entry of Adrian dated 6 January, which is definitely not prescribed for you to learn. The Sunday after this Epiphany is referred to as first after Epiphany, means first Sunday after Epiphany. The diary entry which you are going to learn, which is dated 25th January, is also a Sunday and it is third Sunday after the Epiphany. Hence, Adrian has entered third after Epiphany. Junior aspirin is a painkiller prescribed for minor pains. Satsuma is a type of small orange without seeds and with loose skin that comes off easily. Adrian feels so weak and unattended. The fact that his intellectual capacity remains undiscovered torments him. This is another instance of his self-pretensions on being an intellectual. He also records his crush towards Pentora. The reference to sandwich and satsuma shows his concern with health. Saturday, February 7th. My mother and father have been shouting at each other non-stop for hours. It started because of the bacon down the side of the fridge and carried on into how much my father's car is costing to repair. I went up to my room and put my ABBA records on. My father had the nerve to crash my door open and ask me to turn the volume down. I did. When he got downstairs, I turned it up again. Nobody cooked any dinner, so I went to the Chinese chip shop and bought a carton of chips and a sachet of soy sauce. ABBA is a Swedish pop supergroup. This diary entry shows the effect of Adrian's parents' quarrels on him. His parents are struggling with an unhappy marriage. Adrian points out that their fight begins on some silly issue, but it grows to something bigger. He tries to keep himself away from the scene of quarrel.